Good morning guys, my name's Alex and welcome to my winter van life daily vlog. I'm going to do a rundown with my boy Zeus. You ready boy? Then come back up here and meet up with everyone else. Looks like a shareable amount of chocolate.
Do you like chocolate? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
You like chocolate? I love it.
Look at this snow.
Let it go.
Don't let it go. Chasing a dream. What you do? Ooh. Don't let it go. Chasing a dream. What you do? Ooh.
Let's get some fuel then. How much fuel have we used? We've used 40 litres in a week. 55 Yeah, we put 40 litres in since New Year's Eve, so like 8 to 9, say 40 litres in 9 days. And we haven't really driven anywhere.
5 litres a day.
Is it 5 litres a day? So that's over £5 a day just in diesel.
Yeah, but that's your heating electric.
It'll be better when the sun starts coming up.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days.
Hello.
I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but
Oh, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. We're just gonna make it. Yeah, we're gonna make it. Oh, that's a close one.
Zeus, it's a kitchen. I'll show you. Look.
Time to sign the vlog off, guys. We're staying here tonight because that there is the 𝐕𝐚𝐧 lift, which takes you up into 𝐕𝐚𝐧. So in the morning, just jump on there and go up 𝐕𝐚𝐧. The past 2 days have been up on the �Morzy and 𝐿𝐵 side. So we'll see what it's like up the other side tomorrow. I need to be honest, get like sort something out for filming snowboarding because I'm finding it quite difficult to get good shots. But I guess that's what part of this is all about, to learn this sort of stuff. So, okay guys, right, enjoy your evening, night. These vegan cola bottles, surprisingly good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And ding my bell, because you won't even know if I've uploaded a video otherwise. Cheers guys, see you on the next one.
Hey Alex's fans, I'm his #1 fan. Fuck you.